Not many properties come up with this amount of land with a 2017 built home, in-ground pool, pond, pavilion and 35 by 40 shop west/half bath. Home has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, split floor plan. You'll love the closet space in all the bedrooms. Kitchen has concrete countertops and you'll love the island bar with ton of storage for your kitchen equipment and nice sized pantry. Country living just minutes away from Harmony Grove schools. Use 934 Graham Road for GPS and see agent remarks also purchasing this home as well.